Hey everybody, Steve coming at you again here. I have one thing that's was really annoying me today that I wanted to share with you guys, and I think you'll find a lot of value in. I was at a homeowner's house and we were talking, and they said that they had another company come out and give them a roof inspection. And I was kind of looking at the roof, and it was kind of challenging to climb, and I said, so they climbed this roof? And he said, oh no, they just did it with a drone. I said, they did a roof inspection with a drone? He said, yeah. I said, so with the drone, they were able to determine the repairability of the shingle, see if the hail damage was cosmetic or if it actually damaged the matting, see if the shingles that had lifted sealed back down or not. I went into a whole list of things, and he was just kind of standing there like, I don't think so. Guys, this is why drones suck for roof inspections. Drones are great for roof assessments, for assessing a roof, measuring a roof, getting photos of a roof. We use drones. Our videographer uses drones. Drones are awesome. They have drones now that are even thermal. They can determine whether or not there's water that's being held in a certain area of the roof. They're fantastic pieces of technology, but they're not good for roof inspections. They're good for roof assessments. So make sure that you know the difference between the two. Because what you don't want is somebody coming out and handing you an estimate for $20,000 when in reality, you just need a $200 repair and you've got a lot more life left inside that roof. Guys, if you have any questions, leave us a comment below. If we're not inside your service area, go ahead and give us a call anyway. We're connected with contractors all around the nation where we can hook you up with them and make sure that you're getting the service that you deserve, and that's the best. Thank you so much. We'll catch you in the next one.